Ross. How did the High Kings end up on one of the biggest movie soundtracks of the year?
We were wrapping up our last American tour, which was over 5 weeks, coast to coast in the USA, and we were in the Troubadour, the legendary Troubadour Club. And Ludwig Göransson, the composer of Sinners...
Easy for you to say.
Yeah. Practice. And he's done so much other stuff, like Mandalorian and Oppenheimer and all that. He came along to see the show, and he absolutely loved it. But we didn't know at the time he was researching music and folk music for the movie. And him and Ryan Coogler, the director, they both are massive Irish folk music fans, and they looked us up. And so they came out to see us, invited us to the studio the following day to show us some scenes from the movie. And it was an amazing experience because we hadn't done that before. We were, you know, the lights were dimmed in the recording studio, showing us the Rocky Road scene and Will You Go, Lassie Go. And then he just said, would you guys like to sing on it? So we were like, of course, absolutely. And it's just gone on to be the biggest thing for us, I mean, that we've ever done.
It's huge.
And
I mean,
it's a massive movie.
It's viral. Like, people love this film. The song is all over social media. Like, does it shock you, though? You never know who's going to rock up to one of your gigs.
Well, you don't, and that's why, like, we always say that every gig is like the first gig you're ever going to do. It's like you don't phone it in ever. Our show is 2 hours of... it's just always a lot of fun, a lot of energy, every emotion under the sun. You don't know who's there, like you just said. So, and it just so happened that this time, one of the biggest composers in the world was there, and little did we know, was a fan of the band.